Good morning, Miss Faye here. We are going to apply colour to this drawing now. For this one we are going to use felt tip pens. So I've chosen a range of colours here that I think are going to work well for both the car and for the movement created in the air around it. So I'm going to start off with my green. As you can see, when I'm applying this colour, I'm applying it in order to describe the movement of that car. So I'm always keeping my marks as much as I can, can't there, but as much as I can, I'm keeping those marks horizontal so that they give that impression of the car moving through space. So I'm going to use green on the car as a base colour. If you would be using one of the different cars, obviously you can change the colour, or you can just change it anyway. Use your own artistic licence to decide what colour you want this car to be. I'm just going to use a little bit of that on the wheels as well, and that will just tie it all together a bit better. Okay, into that I'm going to go in with some yellow, so I can start to layer that on top of the green in places, but keep a little bit of white showing. I quite like that showing through there. Let's put a little bit of that in the windscreen as well, and a little bit in the wheels. Okay, and then just to finish that off, I'm just going to use a little bit of black on there, just to identify some of those areas, and on that windscreen. And the headlight, and I'm going to put in that line that I put down the body of the car. I quite like that one. Okay, and last of all I'm going to go in with a bit of dark blue on there. So on top of that green and yellow, just adds a bit of interest and definition. Okay, so that's my car done. So using that same blue, I'm now going to draw the movement lines in. So that's the air moving as the car speeds through it. So you can see the range of colours I've chosen here are harmonious. So they go next to each other on the colour wheel. If you wanted to go more contrasting, you could in each section, but I think this works quite well for this because it gives that feeling of motion, of breaking up the colour, going from the darker through to the light in that harmonious set. So using the lighter blue now, so I'm doing this quite quickly, you can take more time over it. And then finally I'm going to work into that with purple. I've got the wrong one there. So you can see those layers of colours are really important. It's also quite nice to see the pen marks on this because they enhance that idea of the movement, the breaking up of that space. Okay, I'll keep working on this. This is one that I made earlier that's finished, to give you an idea, that I spent a bit more time on. But you can see that use of the line and the layering of the colours working well here in the background.